Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use spatial audio in the application for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application. And of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. If you don't know how, you can check a video at this channel. Now you need to scroll down and go to audio effects under the gesture. And here's dimensional audio. So we tap on it, and firstly we need to enable immersive sound. So tap at the slider near to it. And right here we have scene rendering, so this mode to adjust equalizer and spatial sounds processing. And by default it uses standard mode, so it's balanced sound for all situations, but you can select some situations special for you. Let's say you listen to music, I recommend to select a music mode. Or we have video, games or audiobooks. Just tap at the best one for you, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!